that a H2 up there? With a trailer. Now I've seen a Hummer with a boat behind it. And definitely an RV. But I never seen anybody doing no normal shit in a Hummer before, I don't think ever. And you gotta get the yellow one. What's up with that? Is that one of those discounted colors? You know, like how all the shittiest drivers in town got those silver and bronze colored minivans, those Dodge Caravans from 2001. All the shittiest drivers in the whole Midwest have those vans, the silver and gold ones. It's one of those things, like you gotta get the yellow Hummer to be the biggest asshole out there. I feel like there's probably a color for the Prius like that. One of those turquoise or seafoam green or salmon pink colors. Do you ever wonder what it would be like if you both just collided full on, you know, when emergent traffic's coming in, and you get so into it that you're all the way up on their ass. You're right up next to them, still staring straight at the car. Like, I hope you don't run right into me, because I'm thinking about that right now, and if we're connected on any type of level other than this driving on the highway type shit, we're about to have some Dragon Ball Z type explosion. What do I do here? Die. Giant semi on my left, and then what does the DMV say about that? Somebody's got to work there. Hit me up. I was going to just make this video showing certain types of drivers, certain types of maneuvers, and certain type of driving. But now I think I'm just going to talk. I'm just driving. And might as well. I got this camera on the front of my car here, and made me think I got this little handheld tripod that you can get for pretty much nothing. Throw your phone on there. Most phones can film for longer than a few minutes, so you clear out your phone. Really, you can definitely film your ride home for those people thinking about possibilities of getting shot or attacked or anything. You can put at least your phone on the front of your car, on the back of your car. You gotta pick one. You can get other phones. If you just want to film it, then you want to do it live, that's going to drain more of your battery and things like that. So you have to think about it, maybe get an extra battery, but this is a real viable option. I got some tape on it. Basically, I just do the thing up there, and then I just tape this sucker up. So you want your own little dash cam, your own little body cam. The body cam thing, I'm obviously we're behind on. Why don't people have these body cams? Why don't people in the hood have these body cams on all the time? It's not even an advertised thing. Now that I said it, of course, like, oh yeah, body cams, they're coming out in a few weeks, actually. But the police have all these. Why is the concentration not more on the citizens, especially those more prone to this type of violent attack? It's not even a conversation. I watch a lot of podcasts and music and read daily, and I have not seen anything about this being a real conversation. And then they'll say it's not cost $5 or whatever. People who aren't at risk of being killed for no reason usually come up with excuses why something that would help large groups of people that are put at danger for no reason every day. They just pick it apart, nitpick it, cherry pick it, cotton pick it, do anything to pick away at it. And of course, we all got that final destination thing in our head. When there's any of those circular tubes or a cylindrical type of cargo on a truck, anyone that's seen that movies worries about them shits flying off and rolling in some kind of video game style, and everyone gets in this enormous crash and he gets spiked through the chest and all that. I'm actually not this negative most of the time. I do this for y'all. It's a favor I do for you. I'm the nicest person you ever meet. That's why I'm such an asshole. And if you can get to a point in life where you understand that, you might be worthy of respect. Sides are dented in on the back of that truck and they're not straight down. So when you're going around corners, you don't smash into shit, because that's the most common area, obviously. People up in that bumper. You go around the country, you notice certain places are much better with their signs, their signage. It's the proper way. Some states are very bad with signage. They'll point you in all these different directions, and you come to realize that Wisconsin has a pretty fucking good highway system. The roads are not necessarily great, but the signage where you can just follow signs and end up somewhere, it's a possible thing. Whereas if you go to other states, really it ain't. Really, honestly, haven't been around to many parts of this country as a part of the working class, not some celebrity cunt. You find all the cool places to go. And the Midwest is great. It's basically where you think would have the horrible signage, big cities where people are lazy as shit and don't take time to respect anyone, who can't figure it out because they're born there, because they don't have to go anywhere, or places where people are illiterate because it's the cool thing to do, or lazy because it's 1980s rock and roll. Yeah, fuck you, dude. Environmentalism sucks. And merit is a thing of the past, or whatever. Oh, there's one. See, that's what I was trying to do. Like somebody just cuts you off when you're just going about your day. See, I got one. If I'll include that in the video. So you're driving by, and then